If you've been watching the flying cars videos or you're about to, you're going to need this setup. Today I'm showing you how to install Blender and a plugin called Sollumz, which are the tools you'll need for the next couple of tutorials on the channel. Even if you've never opened Blender before, just follow along. So if you came here from one of my tutorials, welcome. This is the setup video. Blender and the plugin called Sollumz are what we use to actually edit vehicle models for GTA 5, and a couple of upcoming videos on this channel depend on having this ready. I'll show you how to install everything from scratch, do your first import and confirm it's all working. Let's get into it. First thing, go to Blender and then you should see a big button to download Blender. Download Blender. Now it says that's a unsafe file, but it is safe. If you get this, just press the download unverified file button. Next. One thing to note, don't install Blender from the Microsoft Store or any third-party site. Always go to blender.org directly. The version matters because Sollumz is updated to match specific Blender versions, and a mismatch can cause errors. Now let's open Blender and see if it works. We see that Blender has opened. Now we need to install the Sollumz plugin, so let's not save this. Now for Sollumz, this is a plugin. So Sollumz lets your Blender understand the Grand Theft Auto 5 file formats, things like the YFT, YDR, and YTD. Without it, Blender has no idea what the GTA file even is. So we need to go to GitHub and look for Sollumz. And this should be the first one. Go here. And then if you go to releases, at time of recording this video, it's 2.8.3, click on that, and then you should have a sollumz.zip file. Download that. After it has been downloaded, you want to right click on it, and then you want to cut it, go to your documents, make a new folder called Blender, go into that, and then paste the zip file, open up Blender, then edit, preferences, then go to add-ons, add-on settings. You have to click on this button and then click on install from disk. Go to your documents, then into Blender, and then you should have here the sollumz.zip file. Want to click on that and click on install from disk. Now it's gonna install. It's gonna take probably 30 seconds. Your Blender is also gonna freeze. For me, it installed successfully. As you can see, it's enabled. Maybe for you, if it isn't enabled, you just have to tick on this again and it should be enabled. So now let's test it out. Let's look for a new vehicle and see. This looks good. All right, so let's extract it. Go into the folder, and we have all of these. Go to Blender. Now let's you have to hold V, then click on import rage assets, or not click, you have to release V, and then you want to go to your downloads here, and then in here and select the YFT and then click on import rage assets. Give it a second. All right, so our vehicle has loaded in successfully. So let's first of all click Shift V. We want to hide the collisions and hide the shatter maps. As you can see, we have the car successfully loaded in. So this is how you install Sollumz, and you can verify here the versions that I'm using. Right now I am using Blender version 5.1 and Sollumz version 2.8.3. And that's it. Blender and Sollumz are installed. You've done your first GTA 5 import and you're ready for the next tutorial. If this helped you, drop a like. It genuinely helps to grow the channel, and see ya.